Sour snack-cat fish soup is a well-known dish in Vietnamese cuisine. Each region in Vietnam has its own way of preparing this soup, reflecting the unique culinary styles of different areas. The name sour snack-cat fish soup is especially popular in the southern region. The sour snack-cat fish soup from southern Vietnam has a unique flavor that balances sour and sweet. The mild sourness is gentle and pleasant, while the sweetness is light and not overpowering. This combination of flavors gives the soup its distinctive character. Making sour snack-cat fish soup is quite simple. Starting with the ingredients, you need snack-cat fish, tomatoes, taro stems, okra, a pineapple, bean sprouts, tamarind, herbs, chili, lemongrass, and garlic. For seasoning, use sugar, fish sauce, cooking oil, MSG, and seasoning powder. To make sour snack-cat fish soup, start by cleaning the snack-cat fish and marinating it with salt, chili, and MSG to reduce the fish's smell. Clean and cut the okra and taro stems into bite-sized pieces. Slide the tomatoes into wedges and cut the pineapple and chili into slices. Mash the tamarind to get the juice. Bring water to a boil, then add the tamarind juice and let it simmer. Once it's boiling, add the snack-cat fish and cook until it's done. Next, add the pineapple, okra, tomatoes, taro stems, and mint leaves. Turn off the heat. Adjust the seasoning to your taste preference. Finally, it's ready to serve. Once you've served the sour snack-cat fish soup in bowls, sprinkle some cilantro, sliced chili, and fried garlic on top for extra flavor and presentation. Depending on your appetite, enjoying it with rice noodles or rice. Sour snack-cat fish soup is ideal for hot summer days. Its refreshing sourness helps to beat the heat and adds a delicious touch to family meals. Pair it with steamed rice and a dish like braised pork in coconut water or caramelized fish for a delightful dining experience. Making sour snack-cat fish soup is easy, so anyone can give it a try and cook up a tasty meal for their family. In the summer, this soup not only helps cool down but also brings loved ones closer during family meals. Sour snack-cat fish soup is a popular traditional dish found in every region. However, culinary and cultural characteristics vary across regions, leading to different cooking methods for this dish. Despite being rustic, it offers a unique experience. Enjoy this delicious meal with your family.